whoever did it. So be careful when you make claims.
And then you are obliged to fire that rep just to protect everybody else.
Yes.
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 Of course.
And for us, it becomes more and more difficult to control this. Because there is this motivated rep somewhere, and he sold 10 units, and he said, now I'm going big, you know, and I come up with all this stuff, you know. It happened, believe me. It's not that I'm talking about something in the future. It happened already. And of course we observe the web, but we cannot find everything. And that's why I really appeal to you also to help us, to support us, to stay in this market. And this can be only done by ethical business, honesty, transparency, you know. And it is not necessary to make super high claims with the PMF device. There are so many other things. There is so much marketing you can do. You know, the reason why we came up with the Omnium is because the basic idea was we need to change the way people look at PMF. Before it was always this box with this applicator and mostly suitable for people who suffer from chronic diseases. Does it help for this, and does it help, and does it help? You know, the idea of the Omnium was to put PMF into people's lifestyle. This is the idea of this product. This is my personal vision of Omnium One. That it is not a question whether you are ill or healthy. It is just, you know, you need PMF the same way you need good food, good water, because it will protect you. It will help you to maintain your lifestyle, to maintain your health, to increase your energy, to give you a better life, you know. And in order to do this, you have to design a product which is already with the people. That's why we choose to take a tablet, because everybody has a tablet. So, okay, this I already know, you know, this is something cool. And then the second thing is I can take this everywhere, you know. It took us 24 months during the development time to design a tablet which was able to give the amount of power to run a PMF application. The reason why you cannot use your iPad and plug in an applicator is because every tablet on the world and every smartphone on the world does not have sufficient power in order to run a PMF application and to change this digital signal in an analog signal which is powerful enough to give you this magnetic field. Every smartphone, every tablet runs on a 3.7 volt battery. The Omnium One runs on a 14.8 battery. That's why it's so heavy, because we had to put so much power in this tablet, you know. And we burned literally 12 prototypes on the desk, you know, until we figured out how to do the power management within the tablet in order to get this high power running. And last year I was on this bulletproof event in California, and we had the Omnium there, and there was a Microsoft manager. He came to me and he said, "What's this?" And I explained it to him. And he said, "How did you do that?" And he said, "What do you mean?" I said, "He cannot imagine that a tablet in this size runs with 14.8 volts with a power pack in like this." And he was totally thrilled. You know, he went away without any words because he couldn't believe it. Microsoft, you know, they have pretty much a couple dollars more than we have, you know. But sometimes it's not about money, you know. Sometimes it's about resistance, you know, and going on, you know, if you want to do something. And really, we blew a lot of tablets off, you know. I remember one was burning on a desk in China. You know, you don't want to know this. You know the story about you know the story now about the Galaxy 7. You're not allowed to go on a plane anymore, right?